Row 2, which is the wrong side or the inside of the mitt, says to purl all stitches. So that is what we're going to do. And the broken rib, which is the stitch that we're doing right now, is a 2-row pattern. So you need to repeat rows 1 and 2 to get this look. And we're going to do that a total of 4 times. So we're looking at 8 rows of broken rib. And fear not, I'm not going to have you watch me knit all 8 rows. However, when I'm done with this row, I'll flip over the piece so that you can see what it looks like. If the way that you purl looks different from the way I purl, and it most certainly does, because we all have our own signature when it comes to the way we hold yarn. I wonder if there's a word for the way we hold our needles and our yarn, similar to the way that a musician has an embouchure, or the way that they arrange their lips to play an instrument. I wonder if there's a name for that, like your manual signature. At any rate, if you're getting the fabric that you desire, then you're holding the yarn correctly. Don't let anyone tell you you're not. All right, so there is our purl row. And now it's often hard at first, right, to tell if you're doing the pattern correctly. But this is the way that it looks on the front, and you have like little purl bumps, and then a little knit, and then a little, well, it's too early to tell. So don't judge your yarn yet, but we're going to do another row, and then I think you're going to be really pleased with the way it turns out, and it is going to look more like this broken rib.